Hello, my prepper posse. I thought you'd love it. I mean, you know. Yes, I'm in the cab of the bus right now. Looking out. It's pouring. You haven't seen rain in a couple of days, so you might as well check it out. We ran some errands today. We slept in late. It was marvelous. Tomorrow's the flea market. We have to go set up the store. So we'll show you when we're out there. We bought the paint the walls and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is what we've got right now. I'm so happy. It cooled down. It was 100 and something, 101 or 2. And whenever we get up to that kind of heat, this is what we get. Nikki and I did work on Reflectix together. So when we came back, you know, the heat, 100 and something degrees coming in around where the air conditioner blows the hot air, it was just burning. So we got Reflectix around, and that seemed to help a lot. It cooled it all down in here. This is 100 degrees. The animals passed out. It's not 100 degrees in here. It's beautiful. It's like 68 degrees in the bus. But they're passed out. He's hanging out, relaxing on the cooler. He decided to come out. Sounds of rain. Don't forget to play. I'll bring you guys along tomorrow when we're at the flea market. See you!